Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. Let's talk about AMC GME. Have not made a video in a while. I have tried making some videos, but I was having some problems with my recording software. Now we are good, and we are watching a stock that is on the verge of having an explosion to either direction. It is looking like it might come down though. Let's check out GME here real quick as well. I want to see what is going on with GME here. Is it coming down as well? Ooh, buyers stepping in today, so there might be an opportunity tomorrow. Buyers stepped in today. You see that green candle close? Buyers stepped in. Keep an eye on this one tomorrow because if we can break out above, we have to break out above 26. If we can break above 26, we're going to surge higher, possibly as far as 30. That is what I'm watching out for because of that big green juicy candle here. Buyers taking control today. Let's look at the lower time frame here before I move on to AMC. Yeah, you can see here buyers continue to step in. Down here, they keep buying the dip and it's within a trading range. Now it's just a question of is it going to break to the upside so we can go back up to 28 and 30. So that is what I'm watching for tomorrow. Again, this is going to be a day trade opportunity, definitely not a swing trade opportunity. If you want to swing trade GME, I don't know about anyone else, but I'm a cheapskate in the stock market. I want this one cheap. Give it to me at least at $20 or ideally back down under 10 where it touched that level before going on a huge massive tear. So for a swing trade, we're in it for the big bucks if we're going to swing trade. I would say wait for $10 or at best $20. That's where we have the biggest levels of support. Also, do take note that this stock is holding on to that trend as well. So we'll see what happens moving forward. But AMC, again, pretty much the same thing. The only problem is buyers aren't stepping in as much on this one versus GME, despite AMC having better revenues and growing revenues, and it's recovering very well year over year. Again, in terms of revenues, I'm not talking about anything else with regards to the stock. I'm just talking about the revenues, just to be clear before anyone goes in and goes, well, the debt, oh, well, look at this, look at that. I'm just talking about the revenues. All right, with that out of the way, our support is going to be down here at 418. So you want to buy around there. If you want to dip buy and see if you can get a nice day trade out of it or swing trade. And if it doesn't hold there, we'll come down nice and cheap to $2, $2, $3 around that area. And that's what I'm waiting for, guys. I'm a cheapskate. I like them cheap if I'm going to swing trade. For a day trade, I look for the breakouts. More than likely, I'm thinking GME is the one that's going to break out because buyers they took control today of the stock. Bears were nowhere to be found with that strong candle close. And again, you look at that 60-minute. What do you see? What do you see? You see buyers continue to step in down here at 23.79. So it's really up to you. Do you want to play the breakout to possibly 30, or do you want to buy the dip with people at 23.91, $24 under 24? That's up to you as to how you want to play it. I know some people like to use the MACD. Where's the MACD here? They like to buy after the MACD crossover. So the MACD crosses over, you buy in and you hold, and you set a trailing stop so you don't have to look at it while you're at work. Let me just pull up the smaller time frame. So you get a crossover, you buy in, you set a trailing stop. I mean, if you had bought on this crossover here, it went from 24 to 25.62. So I mean, you would have made at least $1 at best because you want to use a trailing stop of about 20 cents is what the math adds up to. So that is what I suggest. I will be day trading it tomorrow if I see the breakout happen or if it comes down for that dip. Either or, but we might gap up. Honestly, we'll see. We'll see what happens. I'll have to keep an eye on the 24 hours trading. All right, guys, you have a fine Thursday. I'm gonna go play some Elden Ring. I'll see you guys in the next one.